The ID2 All is the perfect combination of innovation and style. With its powerful electric drive, innovative technology features, and advanced interior design, it offers an affordable electric vehicle experience for everyone. With the Volkswagen ID2 All, customers can enjoy a unique driving experience that is both comfortable and efficient. From the exterior design to the interior layout, this car has something for all drivers looking for a modern and eco-friendly ride. The C-pillar signature gives this car a signature look that stands out amongst other cars in its class. Whether you're looking for an everyday driver or just want to show off your eco-credentials in style, the Volkswagen ID2 All is the perfect choice. The Volkswagen brand continues its success story of the iconic compact car with the forthcoming electric vehicle, the ID2 All, offering a more affordable option for customers. Key features include front-wheel drive, range of up to 450 kilometers, innovative technology like travel assist and electric vehicle route planner, and a fresh design language. Production is expected to begin in 2025 at a price point of less than €25,000. Thomas Schaefer, CEO of Volkswagen Passenger Cars, said, "We want to be close to our customers and provide top technology in combination with an amazing design." The ID2 All is based on the MEB entry platform and is one of 10 new electric models that Volkswagen plans to launch by 2026. It will be equipped with efficient drive and battery technology, featuring an output of 226 horsepower and WLTP range extending up to 450 kilometers. Volkswagen showcases its new design language with this concept car, which features a friendly face, dynamic styling, timeless elegance, and a new interpretation of the C-pillar signature made popular by the first Golf model. Inside the vehicle, passengers will notice high-quality finishes and clear design paired with self-explanatory infotainment systems and generous storage capacity between 490 to 1,330 liters. Strong value for higher vehicle classes. The ID2 All is an exciting new development for Volkswagen that aims to bring electric mobility to the masses and make it more accessible to customers. It demonstrates a commitment to modern design, innovative technology, and superior build quality that will appeal to a wide range of buyers. With a competitive pricing model, the ID2 All could be an important step in ushering in a more sustainable future. The ID2 All is more than just an electric car, it's a statement about what Volkswagen stands for. It brings together all the hallmarks of the brand, from excellent build quality and innovative features to timeless design and competitive pricing. With its long range of up to 450 kilometers and advanced technologies like travel assist, IQ Light, and electric vehicle route planner, the ID2 All is sure to be a hit with customers when the production model launches in 2025. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share,